Someone finally came into my laundromat and they took like everything. The washers, the dryers, they're all gone. We even had a fist fight in front of the laundromat over it. All right, so I got a call that I had to go to my laundromat, that all these people had shown up and they freaking came, and all I can do now is put up a clothesline with box fans. All my dryers, all my washers, everything's gone. It's just like an army of people came to the laundromat and they just took everything. All I had on was my GoPro, so I put it on, and this is what happened to the laundromat. There's beer cans all over the floor. I don't know if you can see that. It's a disaster. There's water. Now, my nephew and my primary maintenance guy, they were able to stop the scrappers from coming here and removing all of my equipment this day. So I had to get my keys to the laundromat, had to run to my office and get it, and come here and do the world's stupidest collection video. It'll all make sense. This is obviously the dumbest collection video I've ever done in my life. So I have to go through literally in my parking lot and do a collection video because I've got like 1 hour or so before we get in trouble with the trash people, with the city, because of all the scrap washers and dryers that are now sitting in front and inside of my laundromat. And through this all, I'm pretty dang serious about the fight that was in the parking lot, because the neighbors were really angry that these machines were sitting all over the place. And this is just a really, really weird time for me, and I think everybody else. So, in all of my intelligence here, I want to figure out, let's say 4 of the 6 best ones. I'll put 2 in storage for parts, and then see. Oh.
That's why it shut down.
Oh. I bet you someone tried a Q-tip trick on this.
It could be.
Yeah. So in the case with this specific washer, someone had tried to cheat it by stuffing dimes or nickels in the quarter slots, and it didn't have any money in it, so that's okay. That's what it is. But it's just a situation now that everything's pulled out of the laundromat. I'm looking at it and seeing some of the crappy condition that it was, but I'm trying to do 2 things at once and save some of these coin bins, pull the quarters out that are now sitting on the street before anybody else can get to them. And if you notice on the ground during this collection video, there's money everywhere, probably $500, because as these were pulled out of the laundromat, just coins went everywhere. With them here?
Yeah, after they started installing washers.
I'm sure it is. I'm sure there is so much crap and garbage in the drains here that hasn't been flushed out. I need Aaron, my buddy. He's got sewer jets, and really with these laundromats, you need to jet them out every so often. My world with this laundromat started with me fishing quarters out of these dryers.
Yeah, I remember.
Okay, so here's the deal, because my wife complains to me and says that I can't provide super dry humor and my level of sarcasm. I was kidding about the box fans and using them in place of dryers with a clothesline. And People of the Rock did not remove all my washers and dryers. Actually, the company came in with Dexter to bring me all brand new equipment, and this is part of the renovation. And the reason I'm collecting coins is because I forgot that it was this day. So do me a big favor and like and subscribe to show my wife that some people do appreciate my humor. Pretty good. Not telling you guys what to do, but my guys, my nephew Alan and my worker Shane, they said they were hungry, so I went and got a bag of McChickens and McDoubles, and we'll bring them to you once they eat if you guys want to have a couple sandwiches.
We just send our guys out to grab one.
Okay. I just, in all my infinite wisdom, of course, I forgot. I didn't realize till like late Saturday night that you guys were coming today. So I did go and get coins out of the machines. Well, you guys got extra. I don't want to go home with them. I don't need them.
I appreciate it.
It's insane. So. Oh yeah. For me, like the minimum that I would go with right now are the 8s. I've got those 8s that I have. They're amazing. This one just has a wider field of view. It's got 5K on it. The 5K deal's a gimmick because I've shot a lot of stuff now on 5K, and it's just it takes way too long to transfer to my my PC or whatever I'm using to edit for that day. So.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
I'll keep that in mind when I go to get my new one.
Yeah, there you go.
Thank you.
How am I going to get across there? Can you see it? There's change everywhere from these stupid things. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. There's dimes and nickels and quarters. They're impacted into this filth. Cool, it's on fire. Just the sparks. That smells good. It's so odd, as many hours as I've spent in here, and it's like, oh, it's all gone now.
I can't get that white pipe out of that thing. On this pipe. That's what I'm doing.
People on TikTok like my content as much as they do, but go figure. It was in some database a long time ago. I know. Yeah. I can tell you right now, the video that I'm getting from these wise people, I'll throw on a top.
It's still offline for me.
Oh, it is? Huh. Try unplugging it and plugging it back in. Maybe it just needs a power cycle again. Oh.
I have a question for you.
Yes.
So, they have you set up for a 60-pounder facing that way.
Yes.
So, we have to take this out.
Yeah, that's fine. We either we'll cut it back, or we'll move it, or I'll have somebody come in.
Somebody take it out, that way they can.
Do you think this whole thing's gonna fall apart when we pull it out, Shane? Well, if it falls apart, I mean, if Shane thinks
we
that.
can't even get it to move, so
Okay.
it's like you have to take it apart in pieces.
Okay, I mean, if that's what it is, I mean, I imagine if you're taking it apart in pieces, then it's just going to shatter.
So
So
it's like it will fire line, but something will come back on this side. This is putting what right here. I just want to have this under this. I need a white piece.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have a top key, and I think there's a bunch in the boiler room. Yeah. What?
Expired pop.
Yeah. I've drank, I don't know how much
So for your table, I don't think they knew it, but I don't think you knew it from looking. So your washers are gonna stick out very.
Now, as a note about all these renovations, we are doing our best to follow Danny D'Angelo's system, and there's still going to be a lot more here. So if you're interested, check the description for his DVD. And then again, I've got my own real estate purchase course if you're interested in buying a performing business like a car wash or a laundromat.
All right.